So let's say I have a simple JavaScript object like this with three properties: make, model, and year, and I want to loop through them and maybe print the values in any way I want. So since I'm going to need the keys, which are the make, model, and year, I will create a const variable called keys, and then I'm just going to get the class object and get the key and use the key static method, and then I pass in my car object. So I'm going to log this out, and then let's see if it gives me the keys from the object. So let us run this. When I run it, we can see the keys, make, model, and year have been in the array. So we want to use this to then loop through the values as well, because we need the values like make, it gives us Ford, and model, it gives us Mustang and whatnot, and then we can print it out like that. So let's remove the console log. And since this keys is an array, as we already know from here, it is an array. That means we can use for each and loop through it. So let's just use the for each method and call in the anonymous function like that, and then we pass in the key. So this key will be our key reference that we will get, like the make, model, and year. So we're just going to log this out, as simple as that. Let's use console log. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use template literal. So I'm going to use two backticks. These are not quotation, these are backticks, and then I'm going to use the $sign, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and then I'm going to put the key inside, and then I'm going to do that again. I'm going to put the semicolon in the middle and then do that again, and use the call the object this time, and then in square brackets I pass in the key so that I can get the value. Now let's run this and let us see. When we run it, we see it comes in very nicely: make, Ford, model, Mustang, and year 1969. Okay, thank you very much for watching.